Hi, my name is Dan with Droneblog.com. Today's video will briefly discuss the benefits of connecting the Mini 3 series to Wi-Fi using the DJI RC and how to do so. Now, there are various reasons why it would be beneficial to connect the Mini 3 to Wi-Fi. These being to update the remote controller and drone's firmware, updating the RC's local maps, and when accessing Wi-Fi using the DJI RC N1, the ability to utilize the DJI Fly app's built-in quick transfer system. And additionally, when using the DJI RC N1, Wi-Fi allows you to use the LightCut editor that is recommended by DJI for video editing. Now, for those unaware, LightCut is a program that allows you to edit drone footage directly on your iOS or Android device. This eliminates the need to upload the Mini 3 footage to a PC or Mac, to then later edit in DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere, or Final Cut. To connect the DJI RC to Wi-Fi, swipe down from the top of the screen. This will bring down a small notification shade at the top. Now, swipe down a second time, and you'll be brought into the main settings screen. Now, within the main settings screen, you'll see various options ranging from Wi-Fi connectivity to RC brightness and sound, as well as screen recording. To enable Wi-Fi, tap the Wi-Fi icon. You can use this method to quickly turn Wi-Fi on or even off. Now, if you need to set up or choose a Wi-Fi connection, simply press and hold the Wi-Fi icon. You'll then be brought into the Wi-Fi network screen. Here, you can choose the network that you'd like to connect to, and you'll be prompted to enter the password, and then you'll be connected. When you go to connect to Wi-Fi again in the future, again by turning on the Wi-Fi, the DJI RC will connect to the Wi-Fi network that you last successfully connected to. If you're using a DJI RC N1 controller connected to an iOS or Android device, you would connect to Wi-Fi using that smart device's default method. Well, that's all for this video. If you find these types of video tutorials helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. For more tutorials and reviews, head to Droneblog.com.